This is Dave Putz from JKP Holdings. Today showing you the JKP Due Diligence Portal resource section. As you can see, we're in the main dashboard here and we're logged in. If you weren't logged in, you wouldn't be able to see this screen. Registration's free. Today we're focusing on the resource section. This button right here, or you can get it from up here. So once we click on there, we're brought to our screen here of different resources. Now I can see servicers on the screen that are recommended by other investors. If we're unable to see the screen, this means we did not add a resource. So you need to click here, or a box will pop up. You add a resource, and you'll gain access to this list. Now, if you want to see other different types of resources, we use this drop down and choose which one we'd like. We have some additional services here. Facebook member directory list. Again, if you did not fill in that, you would get a screen that looks like this. The next one we have is the servicer and comparison fee. When we look at this, we can actually compare the different servicers by state, and we can use the drop down here to look individual at every servicer with their fee schedules and what states they're licensed in. If you have other resources, other servicers that you're looking for, please feel free to add them here. Next down the list, we have the IRA Comparison Chart. These are pulled from different IRA custodians and their fee schedules. You can click on here and see a bunch of different ones, their fee schedules, or you can look at an entire list of IRA companies available. Next in this resource list is our state laws. Now this is the state laws for contract for deed. These are land contracts, and you would click in individual state you're looking for details on, and it'll bring you right to a website for that information. Next we have the forced place insurance forms. Those forms are what you would put in place for when you need to file for forced place and letting the borrower know. The next on the list is the BK Fee Chart. This is updated as regularly as possible. This tells you what the costs are for the Chapter 7, Chapter 13s for BK filings. And lastly, but not least, note conferences. These are conferences that are coming up that we have available and we're knowledgeable of. You would click on these links and go sign up for it. As you can see, it's sorted by date. You know what state, what city it's in, what topic it's in, who's organizing it, and what the conference name is, and of course, if it's online or in person. So that's a wrap up of everything we got going on in the resource section of our due diligence portal.